How to delete group chat in Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. I am back again here with a simple and easy tutorial on how to delete a group chat in Messenger. To delete a group chat in Messenger, you must be an admin of the group chat. Now let's get started on deleting the group chat in Messenger. Firstly, open your Messenger application and open the group chat that you want to delete. Now tap on the eye icon in the top right corner. Here you will see different options, from which click on the option that says See Members. Here you will be able to see all the members that are in your group chat. Now click on the individual's profile and tap on the option of Remove from Group Chat. Once you exclude all the members from the group chat, click on your own profile and tap on the option of Leave Conversation. Again click on Leave option. Once you do it, the group chat will be disappeared from the chat list and will be deleted. So this wraps up for the tutorial on how to delete group chat in Messenger. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay updated. Bye.